This song I'd like to dedicate to Nev Flake, past president of Hibearnation. This is a little tune, it's kind of appropriate to the political climate in this country at the moment about gay marriage, parenting, and this is a song by a guy called Mark Cohn who wrote Walking in Memphis. Some of you may know that. This is a song called The Things We've Handed Down.
Generations like
guys. Have a great hibernation. All right, now I believe we've come to, what are we calling this segment?
Well, so we need to get the contestants up on stage for Blankety Bears.
Woo!
Contestants up on stage, please. Take a black texter.
Yes, everyone have a texter. I'll just
You
lock
go
it
that
down.
side, doll.
I feel like Adriana.
Well, you don't look like a doll.
Who's the girl that does it now? Laura. I auditioned for Wheel of Fortune just recently. I got through.
We're going to channel Graham tonight.
Oh, Graham.
Good old Graham.
Right, so I should pop down to Steamworks then. When you hear the word blank in the statement or question or whatever the fuck we've written here, you have to think of the funniest thing you could possibly think of. Or just dirty. Sometimes I find it's the easiest way to go. And at the end of 4 rounds, the audience will judge who the best are, and you'll be receiving a prize!
So should I ask first?
Yeah, you go first.
Okay, remember you have to fill a word into where the blank is. Saucy Cyril liked to wander in the garden. Often he would blank in the bushes. Saucy Cyril liked to wander in the garden. Oh, you meant to walk, aren't you? Often he would blank in the garden.
Is everyone locked in?
I went. Number 1.
Have you got something out there? Oh, good.
Let's see what they have. Oh, we're going to do all 4 in a row. Screamed in the bushes.
Screams in the bushes.
Number 2.
And you've got?
Spirit finger.
Ooh, spirit fingers.
Nice.
I'd personally prefer courtesy fingers, but that's just me. Little knock on the back door before you let me know you're coming in.
Number 3.
Couple of courtesy fingers, it's all I ask. And you've got?
Just plain old piss.
Piss in the
Piss in the
garden.
bushes. In the
Lemon
bushes.
trees, perhaps.
Turn your page to the green.
Here we go. Wank.
Oh,
Yes.
spoken like a true
Well, you
bear.
can't change it afterwards.
Squat.
Squat. Saucy Cyril liked to wander in the garden. Often he would.
How do you manage to
squat
watch
in the
aerobics
bushes.
Oz style in the garden? It's awful.
Do a fairy.
Do a fairy.
Do a fairy in the bushes.
Right. In
It's
the
unusual,
mouth.
isn't it?
Yeah. Wank.
Wank.
Piss. Spread his seed.
Spread his
Spread
seed.
his seed.
Innuendo. We like that.
Following through on the metaphor, nice to see.
Buster the dog.
Busted the dog.
Often he would buster the dog in the bushes.
Right.
Interesting answer.
That is. All right, it's my turn.
I'll cross.
Yes, go across. We've gone topical. Mark Viduka caused a scandal at the World Cup when he tripped over and exposed his blank. Mark Viduka caused a scandal in the World Cup when he tripped over and exposed his blank.
What did he expose? Dildo in his hole.
Oh, I need to come to...
He's come to the party now, hasn't he? He's warmed up very quickly, this one. Warmed up very quickly.
Hemorrhoids.
Hemorrhoids. Oh, there's a bunch down there.
That's what I want to see. World Cup bunch of grapes.
Yeah, shiny knob.
Shiny knob. I like the adjective. It's nice.
Is Harry cool?
Come to the party.
Sponsor bribe.
Sponsor bribe. Oh, controversial.
Justice buns.
Buns.
Score.
Score. Oh, hello.
Dark hole.
Dark hole. Okay.
Fishnets.
His fishnets.
Erection.
Nothing wrong with fish.
Erection.
Oh,
Can't believe no one went with ball.
funny that they're on a different plane, I think.
Yes, clearly.
Okay. Simon the cub liked to help out fellow bears. Many said he'd blank for bears. Dun, 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 dun.
Ding, ding, ding.
And we'll start from 10 this time.
Yes, that's what I was thinking. Have you written something down, Pinky?
Kiss.
Kiss for bears.
Kiss for bears.
Oh. It's kind of sweet.
Let's move on.
We've seen your pubes, we don't care.
He would say anything.
He would say anything
For bears. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah, that's quite true.
Creamed.
Creamed for
Oh.
bears. With sugar and milk and butter.
Is it a lemon meringue with cream?
Swing.
Swing for bears.
I do think Simon might be heterosexual, gentlemen.
That's white. So,
What would Simon do for bears?
He'd spread his fur.
oh,
Spread his fur.
I think that's one of your fantasies, not Simon the Cubs.
I'd have to go and think about that and be private for a moment.
Play Simon Does.
Oh, like Simon says, but Simon ponies
Said
up. Right.
Poor for the bears.
Poor, like poor. Okay. It was a nice pun, but they hated it.
Hell. Hell.
Howl. Howl for the bear.
Ow.
Strip bare for bears.
Strip bear for bears.
Play water sports.
Oh, play water sports from number
Play
one.
water sports. Of
Number
course.
one, play water sports.
All right, it's our final one. Oh, I get to do a character. How exciting. Mrs. Slocum said, I'm sorry I'm late, Mr. Peacock, but the milkman dropped a pint on my pussy, and now it's totally blank.
I'm free.
We all
Mr.
thought of something
Humphries.
that would happen to a pussy when the milkman drops his pint on it. All right, Mrs. Slocum said, I'm sorry I'm late, Mr. Peacock, but the milkman dropped a pint on my pussy, and now it's totally
Creamed.
creamed. Excellent.
Ditto.
Sticky.
Oh, sticky pussy. Nothing
Gonna have
like
to get the
sticky
eucalyptus oil out.
Fucked.
Fucked. I'm glad someone's decided to just go, oh, fuck the innuendo.
Catalactic.
Catalactic. That's made me confused and disturbed all at the same time.
Cold and frigid.
Oh, her pussy's gone cold and frigid. Mr. Peacock, my pussy is cold and frigid.
Cream.
Creamed.
Creamed.
Sour.
Oh, bless.
Moist.
Moist.
Full of his milk.
I say it
Full of
properly in
his
there.
milk. Did you say full of his milk? Bless. Cat was clearly presenting at the time. All right, Nev, shall we go down now? I'll walk behind and you hold this and we'll get applauses.
Applause for number one. Applause for number two. Number three. Number four. Oh, you're getting warmed up. Number five. Number 6. 7. Oh, number 8. 9. Oh, 10. Okay, well I know 3 that I'm giving out. 3, 4 and 9 are getting a free pass to tomorrow night after the competition. Just one. Just one. I think Barry will get one because he likes to party. We like to party. Oh, look, number 1's got one. Who wants the last one? Oh, there you go. Here's a party girl. Give it up for our contestants. 1 through 10, or 10 through 1, whichever you'd like.
Please thank all of our contestants.
Give it up for the boys.
Don't forget, you can see them tomorrow night in fierce and
As
hot
they leave the
competition.
stage.
Thank you all for coming down and exposing your blanks.
Good luck for tomorrow. I know you'll be up at 8 a.m. with judging.
Oh, Lord.
That means 8 a.m.
Is
with
that-
judging.
Is that full service judging?
I don't know, I'm not there anymore.
Oh, okay, cool.
But all the rest of the judges will be getting up at 6:30 to rush off to the Lard Hotel. Nothing like a lard in the morning.
Oh, Lord.
Lard Hotel. And then, of course, the guys will be judged in the morning. Trying to get rid of us or something.
There's obviously a number coming up. I'm fucking surprised.
Just because you can't do choreo, doll, there's no need to get upset. Now,
I was going to do my Australian Idol impression.
you're not that sure.
I just sing 86,000 notes and not a single one that's in the song.
I know, it's nice.
good.
It matches something, but it's not what they're singing. Oh, Dottie.
Oh, hello, Josh.
Dot, you seem to have lost your pants.
Thank God for that. Now we can move on.
And there's a snatch of Dot. It's a snatch
She's a
of
very
Dot.
lovely girl.
Oh, Madam Richard, give it up for Madam. He does a fantastic job. If you see, there's a couple of little bears and everything in there for him. He's done a fantastic job. Adam Richard. Remember, of course, everyone's done it free tonight, so I'm glad that he's done it free. Not many
You
would
don't know how
pay.
much I charge. I bet you these are better than the ones Nicole's getting tomorrow.
Oh, well, hers will be all learning. They'll have, a side screen and all sorts of stuff. Thanks to Tony and staff for Comics Lounge. Bent TV for filming. Give it up for Bent. Don't forget, before you leave, there's a desk out the front. Order a DVD. $5 of that profit comes to Southern Hibearnation. So that's a good cause. Colin Christ on the music. And the lights, too. So,
Oh, Lord, he's flashing us, yes.
Sam for his backstage screen. Give it up for Sam. Backstage dresses as well. They've had to put up with several alcoholics backstage. I'm warning you, the finale might be a little bit.
They need a step ladder to dress
There's a
these
couple
people.
of them. They need a stick, all right. That didn't give away any hints, did it?
So there's a number now, is there?
So thanks to .com. Fantastic Ivan. Dale Cruz.
Maxi Shield.
Polly Darton and Rennie Codgers.
Oh, let's not thank them again.
Oh, sure.
And
The Bearettes. They're as tacky as ever.
and you'll be able to thank them personally after their final number, because I'm getting out of the way.
You're going to get out the way. I'm going to get off stage. We're going to move these cords so that, it doesn't,
So the Bearettes-
doesn't help their choreo, but
You might
Sure,
want to
will
grab
help
that
if they're
pin
not
lid
to
there,
go.
lovey.
oh, I'm a little bit red.
There's a
red
pin
on
there.
There's a pen. Someone's going to... You try kicking in fucking stilettos. Oh my God. I'm feeling a little bit more religious backstage now. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for all of the bears. Yourselves included.
Thank you for coming on down, everyone. And now, here they are, the Bearettes.
Yeah. All right now. I'm gonna point to you. I'm gonna point to you. You tell me that word, and if I go like this, you just cut loose. All right. All right. Now here we go. Now.
I hope he's not a fag. I hope he's not a drag. I hope he's not a queer. I hope he's not a mistake. Although I have to say that with each